Some people say, what's the problem with homosexuality? They're not hurting anyone. Well, guys, here are some scientific diseases that are associated with homosexual behavior. So in 2024, apparently 630,000 people died of AIDS or AIDS-related illnesses. How many of them are homosexual isn't known apparently, but CDC data shows from 2022 that 71% of newly infected HIV people were allegedly homosexual men. An older study from 1980 says this. In a controlled study, 67.5% of 200 homosexual men, but only 16% of 100 heterosexual men were found to be infected with intestinal parasites. Here's a more recent study of sexually transmitted infections, and they still have percentages ranging from 18 to 31% for MSM, for men who have sex with men. So why is this, you may ask? Why are homosexual men more likely to get certain diseases? Well, guys, there are some biological risk factors that I'm going to read to you now. 1. The makeup of rectal tissues. The vagina is lined with layers of cells known as epithelial cells that provide a barrier against infection. The rectum is lined with only a single layer of these cells. Number 2, the fragility of rectal tissues. Rectal tissues are fragile and prone to breakage. This provides the virus easier direct access into the body. Number 3, the immune response. Rectal tissues are also rich in a type of immune cell called CD4 T cells. Ironically, these are the very cells that HIV targets for infection. Number 4, sexual risk factors. MSM, men who have sex with men, are more likely to have multiple sex partners when compared to men who exclusively have sex with women. And a fifth reason, and I'm sure there are more, according to a 2022 study from the CDC, the rate of condomless sex among HIV-positive MSM has increased from 46% in 2012 to 70.5% in 2017. If the rate continues to increase, it may hinder progress toward ending the HIV/AIDS epidemic. So these are some of the health risks of homosexual behavior. There are probably more. You can comment them if you want, like hellfire and stuff. Anyway, have a beautiful day.